started off as the project manager to find a replacement to our aging homegrown asset management system.
IPS was introduced into asset management in 2007, where they used it as a commissioning tool to store the test files.
About 4 years ago, we decided to implement asset management system in our company.
The product we finally were interested in were quite new for us, so it was kind of a dark horse for us when we invited IPS for this procurement. We have now terminated and awarded IPS the contract.
We had looked at a lot of other products, and choosing IPS was really kind of an easy decision to make because it was really the only solution that had everything in-house.
It seemed that IPS had the products which will fulfill our needs.
It turned out they had a very competitive price and very high level of requirements fulfillment, so our choice was rather easy, really.
We needed a system where we could store all of the test files in one place where we could access them through one central database.
We chose IPS primarily because of the capabilities to integrate data from primary equipment and secondary equipment in one ecosystem, enabling really unique analytical use cases. So the IPS products Siemens in total is interested in is, of course, the full portfolio without exception. For my personal responsibility, it's more in the area of asset management. That means enterprise asset management, asset performance management, and also the field service to support with mobile tools.
We work with IPS-ENERGY, we work with the IPS, the mobile app, and web suite and publisher.
We have enterprise asset management for maintaining all our assets.
The product we are now acquire and will implement in our project is this IPS network model management.
We use mainly Relaxed based on relay protection setting management.
By using the BPM, the business process management module, you can create workflows that include every other area of the system. So being able to work within the system with one module working with another module, and that's probably the strongest thing about IPS, is that you enter that data into the system one time and you can use it in a myriad of different ways.